Here is how to transfer WhatsApp chats from your old phone to your new phone. And we're going to do this using the backup and restore method. So let's get started. So on the left, I have my old phone. And first, I'll just open WhatsApp. Then I'll click on the profile picture on the top right. Scroll down and click on Chats. Then scroll down, click on Chat Backup. And over here, we have to back up WhatsApp. So first, just click on Google account. And here select whichever Google account you want to back up your WhatsApp chats to. Then there's another option if you want to include videos. If you want to, you can enable this. And the last step is to click on Backup to start the backup. So first they'll prepare the backup and then it will start. Based on the size of the backup, you may have to wait for some time. But once it's done, then we'll move on to the new phone. So WhatsApp is already backed up for me and I'll head over to the new phone. On the new phone, you'll have to install WhatsApp if you haven't already. So on the Play Store, just search for WhatsApp and then install it. And one thing to note, that if you have WhatsApp installed from before, it's better to uninstall and reinstall it since we need to start from scratch without any data. After that, open WhatsApp on your new phone, click on Agree and Continue, and here you have to enter the same mobile number as that of your old phone. Click on Next. Here click on Not Now, and they'll send a code. As you can see, I've received it on my new phone. I'll just enter it over here. Enter two-step verification PIN. Over here, click on Continue. And now it's searching for backups on Google Drive. So this may take some time. Just let it search. And as you can see, the first option has come, Restore from Backup. And they've given the date as 21st March. So this was the same on our old phone. And now just click on Continue. And now the backup is starting. And once it's done, all of your chats will come here. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.